Hello, in this video I'm going to show the productivity tricks on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. Okay, so first, maybe let's begin with the split screen mode, which allows us to open up two apps at the same time, split the screen perfectly in half, and on the one side we'll have first app, on the second half we'll have the second app. And thanks to that, it's really good for multitasking and for the productivity, because it allows us to have, two apps open at the same time. We don't need to, open up the recent apps and the jump between them when we want to do something in one of those apps. We can simply open them up at the same time. To do it, we have few ways how we can launch the split view. We can first, let's open first app. Now let's open the second one, and now we can open up the recent apps from here, and when you hold on one of the apps, now we can place it right in here, or in this orientation. It's up to you. I'll pick that one. Now select the second app, for example the notes that I have just opened, and now you can see that both apps are opened at the same time. Browser is on the left, notes are on the right, and I can easily use both apps at the same time. For example, even with my two fingers on using my left hand, I can, for example, scroll the Wikipedia, and on the right I can take notes, draw something, and do many more. Of course, we can also change the sides of those apps. We can save this layout. We can save this split screen as a shortcut, and we will have quick access to it. When you click on those dots right in here and click on that star, we can it's called the app pair, my bad. We can add app pair to taskbar, home screen, or the apps edge panel. Let's say we add it to the home screen, and the last thing is changing the orientation in that way that I was showing you before, how you can place your apps. And now the shortcut for the app pair has been created. I simply click on that and they quickly open. Also pretty cool thing. So that's how the split screen mode works. We can also use the sidebar. In here we have a list of apps, and we can also drag them out and place them to open in the split screen. Okay. Another cool thing is, of course, the sidebar. In here we can adjust it into our own preferences. For me it's the best because in here I have quick access into all apps that I'm using all the time. Of course, if you want to add another one, simply pick it from the list and it will appear right in here. Okay, now we can open up the settings, find the advanced features, now the multi-window. I have shown you the split screen. We can also enable the swipe option. In here we have a preview how you can do it, so you need to perform something like that, and in here the list also appears. So one way is through the recent settings that I was showing you before, and that's the second. But if you want to use it, you need to launch it first in the advanced features right in here that I have just shown you. Okay, now the second thing is the pop-up view. Enable swipe for pop-up view, and to launch the app in the pop-up view, first launch the app normally, for example the browser, and now slide from the top right corner. Now we can select the size of our floating window, how big we want it or how small. Let's say we want this size, release, and you can see that it appeared in the floating window. Of course, we can adjust, we can place it anywhere we want on the home screen, and we can still use other apps. So it's really cool. For example, we can again, let's go with the notes. So we can create notes, and we can still surf the internet and do other stuff. So it's also really cool for the productivity and the multitasking. If you click on this blue bar, if you click on the first icon, it will go Oh no, it simply hides this blue bar that was right in here. And next thing is possibility to open the split screen mode from the floating window. Now we need to select the second app. Also, I need to open up the floating window. Okay. Next thing is minimalizing it, maximizing it, or simply closing the app. Pretty simple. Okay, that's when it comes to the floating windows. Really cool thing. In here we can also enable the full screen in a split screen view. Of course you can adjust it into your own preferences. Okay, another cool thing is the Bixby, which is the AI. And it really can help. Because, for example, we don't need to do some things on our own. We don't need to do them manually. We can simply give AI the task and it will do it for us. To launch the Bixby, we have two options. Let's go into the settings. Let's go to the advanced ones. Now select the Bixby. We can enable the voice registration, so we'll be able to launch the Bixby by saying a voice command. Simply select the voice registration, select voice wake up, and we need to record your voice also. Or we can enable the sidebar and settings, select long press and make sure that the Bixby is selected. So we have two ways how we can launch our AI assistant. So let me show you a few commands that we can do, that we can give to the AI. Let's say we need to set a reminder to do something, let's say clean up the house. We don't need to do this manually, we can simply give AI a task to do it for us. So I'll use the voice command to launch the Bixby and then I'll give him a task. Hi Bixby, set a reminder to clean up a house tomorrow at 3 p.m. Okay, my bad. First we need to give reminder the permission, so we can also open the reminder app using our voice command. Open reminder app.
To do that, give reminder permission.
Open reminder app. Okay. Click on continue. Now we have permission for the reminders. As you can see, currently I have 0 reminders and I will set a new one using the AI. So again, hi Bixby, set a reminder to clean up the house at 3 p.m. tomorrow.
Your reminder saved.
Okay, due to AI, it has been saved. Let's open up the reminder app. It appeared and as you can see, clean up the house, 3 p.m. Everything has been successfully set. Now maybe the second thing, we can say the AI to search something up in the internet. What do we want to know? Let's say open the Wikipedia app. That's an example, of course. Hi Bixby, open a Wikipedia app.
I couldn't find that on your device, but this is what I found online.
Okay, as you can see, the Wikipedia has been successfully launched. That were 2 examples how you can use the Bixby. Of course, there are a lot of more things that you can do with it, but I'll leave it to you to find out for yourself. Okay, and next thing that I don't want to forget about, okay, yeah, is the Galaxy AI. For example, the object eraser that we can use in the gallery, and it can help us to erase the things from the photos that we don't want to have them simply. So, open up gallery. Let's pick that photo, for example, and let's say we want to remove this mouse pad from this photo because it doesn't fit us. click on that icon when you are in this mode. Click on Object Eraser, and now select the thing that you want to delete. Okay, now it identified the shape of the mousepad, and now click on Erase. Boom, it magically disappeared. We can click on Save, Save as copy, and everything has been successfully saved and the mousepad has been removed. So it works really, really cool. Of course, we have other also AI features, but this one is my favorite. If you want to know all the features, open up the settings, find advanced features, click on intelligent features, and here you have all of the features available. Okay, and the last thing is the S Pen, which allows us to create notes in so comfortable way that I cannot even explain it. You just need to feel it. It's attached with the tab. You don't need to pay extra for it, so it's pretty nice. And thank you, Samsung, for that. Now let's open up the Notes app. Let's create a new one, and it allows us to create handwriting notes, which is really cool because for some people it might be more comfortable to create notes manually, just like they would in a normal notepad. So as you can see, everything works. As you can see, taking notes is really simple and really comfortable. If you want to use the eraser, you don't need to manually click right in here. Simply hold this button, which is on the pen, hold it, and we can easily erase our drawings and notes. Of course, we have also dedicated apps strict for only for painting and for drawing. We have the PenUp app. If you open it, in here you have a whole list of things that you can do. For example, we can color the scratches. In here we can see that I was playing with it, and I have, for example, colored this scratch on my own. So it's pretty cool. The Samsung Pen, of course, gives us a lot of things that can boost the comfort of usage. The pen is of course best for taking notes and drawings. If you're a kind of person who likes to draw, the S Pen, using it is a must-have, and I really suggest you should start using it. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.